At VP Racing, we get asked one question all the time, and that's how to clay your vehicle. So to achieve this task, you'll need a clay bar, a microfiber cloth, power instant detailer, and for your final step, the VP Power Wax. So firstly, what you want to do is grab your clay bar and knead it perfectly to fit the size of 4 fingers, just like that. Then, utilizing the VP Power Instant Detailer as a lubrication tool, spray it on the area of the vehicle that you wish to clay. Then, grabbing your clay bar, just gently work that in and remove all the surface contaminants that have built up over the months and years. Now, the reason to clay your vehicle is to pretty much give it that final smooth finish that you can't achieve by just normally washing the vehicle. Then grab your microfiber cloth, simply wipe it off, and we're nearly done. Lastly, to protect the paint from harmful UV rays, we'll give it one spray of VP Power Wax, spray, wipe, and you're done.